No, lightning button. Yesterday we have seen the lightning input or a attribute or a component and different type of interfaces we have seen. Now today we are going to see the lightning button. Now in the lightning button, how can we use the lightning button? So first of all, what is the lightning button? So far we have discussed about how to implement a component. In that component, how to use the lightning input, right? So how to use the input, different type of inputs, how to use it. Let's assume that I wanted to add a buttons here. I wanted to add buttons. Let's say here it is a new button or a edit button. I wanted to add the buttons here. Now, if I want to add a buttons, how can I do it? So Salesforce has a different type of a buttons. Now, first of all, if you want to implement a button, you need to use the attribute which is called lightning button. You need to use the attribute which is called, the lightning tag which is called lightning button. So lightning button represents the button element. It represents the button element. There are different type of a buttons we have. So basic button, button with icon, disabled buttons. You can implement just a button, or else you can implement a button with icon. Like here it is a new button. But before that you wanted to place some icon or you wanted to show some icon here. So you can use the button with icon. And you want to display the button and it should be a disabled. Then you have to go for a disabled button. Now we will see different type of a button, how to implement it, each one of them. How to implement each one of them. Now let's say here the first one which we will go for is basic button. Now this is the button introduction. Button introduction. So button is, if you want to use the button, you have to use the lightning button. Button is divided into the 3 different types: basic button, button with icon, disabled button.